My name is Samuel Rowe. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I live in a community called Alfred's Bend, outside of a town called Hokes Bluff. I graduated high school from here, and I'm so proud to be part of a small town that I still live in to this day. Family, hobbies, and interests. I've been married to my wife, Teresa, for 5 years. We do not have our own children yet. We are enjoying watching our daughter in the ministry grow strong in Christ. Her name is Gracie, and we love her so much. We enjoy spending time with our dogs, our cats, and our backyard chickens. We have many animals, and we love them all. I enjoy gardening in the summertime, and I'm an active member of the local Carpenters for Christ chapter. My hobbies include fishing and grilling. Degree plan. I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education, and I am currently pursuing a master's of divinity. I hope that my degree will help me be a more effective pastor and leader and open to new opportunities for me. My current job is more like a calling. It's a passion. I love every minute of it. I am the pastor of a local church, Arrington Chapel, and I have been there for 6 years. I also serve as a substitute teacher in the local school system. Future plans. After this course, I have approximately 12 courses to finish my degree. I plan to utilize my degree to better serve my current church or to move as God directs to other ministries or positions. I have also considered using my degree to find a ministry-related job, such as chaplaincy work. What I hope to learn from this course. Throughout my ministry, I've had many counseling opportunities with various people. And it's my prayer and it's my hope that this course better equips me when I find myself in a counseling position or situation.